everybody, this is Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you. And I've got Kelly, what a hottie. I've got Kelly here with CRC, which is Classic
Reflections Coachworks out of Lakewood, Washington.
Classic Reflections Coachworks out of Lakewood, Washington. And I've got Kelly here, and she's going to talk to us about these vets. This company specializes in restoring vets. And you said you wanted me to do the video of the red vet. So, Kelly, why the red vet?
Red vet because it is a 63 split window that we created this year, and it is an iconic car. Corvette only made it for 6 months because it's very difficult to see out of, and so this particular car is built on a 2007 C6 chassis with an LS7 engine in it. We also put a camera in the rear view mirror so that you can see out of the blind spots because the split window is so difficult to see out of.
This is the split window right here, right? Yes. Now, this is this an original vet body, or do you guys make the vet bodies yourselves? How do you come across, like, making these cars?
So what we do is that this was a customer car, and he had a C6, 2007 C6, Z06. So we take the skins off of the body, and then we build them with carbon fiber molds, and the body is made out of carbon fiber. We build the bumpers, we do custom paint work, we put custom wheels. It's carbon fiber. Right, and it can be driven all the time. Yes.
So that power to weight ratio.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the new mama's grocery getter.
Yeah. It's funny. It's a recipe red, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that is so cool. Now, how long does it take to make a car? Let's say a customer brings you this 6-piece split window. And he says, here's my checkbook, which obviously you have to have an open-ended checkbook.
Yes, sir.
And he says, make my car. How long is the process? Barring any unforeseen circumstances.
10 to 12 weeks.
10 to 12 weeks?
There's 900 man hours that go into the cars, and they are handcrafted in the great United States.
12 months?
No, sir. 10 to 12 weeks.
Really?
Yes.
Can we open this up and you show us some of the
Let me
cool stuff
see if
about
it's
this?
unlocked right now. It is not currently unlocked. I'm really sorry.
I know. The wheels, are they carbon fiber wheels?
No, these are,
Let's look at the wheels here. Wheels right here. Corvette. Drove inside the brakes. The suspension up, so it's a Z06?
yes. We do not mess with any of the safety, power, and performance of today's Corvette. So what our goal is to give you the safety, power, and performance of today, but the look of yesteryear. So the comfortability of today's driving, but you're driving an iconic car that maybe you once had as a teenager and want to have that feel again, but maybe your wife doesn't want to sit into the old narrower body.
Because of that, it's comfortable.
It's comfortable. You can take road trips. You can put your golf clubs in the back, go on a trip, come home. You can drive them and insure them as if they're a regular car.
Really? Well, let's take a look at the front here. I mean, I see the old school fuel injection stuff here.
Yes.
And now I don't remember, but did the 63 have the heat? Did that have the heat extractors there that you're aware of?
I believe so, and the cool thing is it makes it look like it opens from here,
Right.
but it doesn't. It opens from here.
Oh, so it's the new style.
Yes.
Wow, that is
Yes. Yes. And we can upgrade it, and we can put Elegance filter superchargers in these too to give you just that little more oomph if you need
damn. You need a little bit more hump already.
it. Right?
Elegance filters. So you guys worked with Elegance filters before now.
Yes.
Yeah, because they are the GM.
Yes.
engine builder.
And the other 63 we built has the Elegance filter supercharger in it. Yes.
So is there anything else about this particular car or your company that you want to share with their viewers besides don't buy one today?
This is a family-run business. It started out as a hobby business for the family, and it started out in 1993. They got kind of serious, or believe around the year 2000. Been coming to this show for a really long time. We want to provide a customer with a car that they can drive every day and feel good about, feel safe in, and to just bring back memories from their yesteryear.
And when they start this business out, they start off with carbon fiber, or is that the later on down the road process?
That part I am unsure, but I think carbon fiber actually is the way that he we started out. We use Boeing technology to help design the cars. We handcraft them very carefully to make sure that they are as beautiful as they can be when they come off the lot, and that you are 100% satisfied with your purchase from CRC.
Isn't she awesome? I mean, Kelly from Washington down here in AZ. The weather was a little nasty this week, kind of reminded you of home, didn't it?
Yeah. Not quite as snowy down here as it is from home.
Although today it's nicer out there. I tell you what, I got to really thank you so much for the opportunity you took out of your busy schedule. Yeah, talk to us about these cool cars. And it is CRC Classic Reflection Coachworks out of Washington. If you want yourself a classic vet that's remade into new, you got to get a hold of these guys. In the meantime, what we say in Eric's Garage AZ land, drive it like you stole it, bitches. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks. Bye, Kelly.
Bye. Thank you.
All right, cool.